Hey everyone, this is my first time flying and exploring the features of my DJI Air 3S. Stick around until the end for some information about the drone itself. And after I had flown my first successful flight, I decided to test out the camera on the drone. I began recording a video and tried out the camera here. The DJI Air 3S features a dual camera system with a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera for expansive shots and a 48-megapixel medium telephoto camera for zoomed-in framing. Both cameras are stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, which actively adjusts for tilt, roll, and pan to ensure smooth, cinematic footage even in windy conditions or during sharp maneuvers. The drone delivers high-quality 4K video at 60 frames per second so objects moving fast appear clear and precise. It also features HDR 10-bit D-Log-M recording, which enhances dynamic range and color grading flexibility, making the videos pop with color. Finally, it excels in low-light conditions thanks to its large 1-inch sensor camera. On to the last part one we'll talk about. This drone features Active Track 360, an advanced person tracking system that allows the drone to follow subjects smoothly and dynamically. This feature enables precise tracking from multiple angles, ensuring cinematic shots while maintaining stability. The drone uses omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, meaning it can safely follow a person while detecting and avoiding obstacles in all directions. Overall, I'm extremely impressed with this drone. Thanks for watching and be on the lookout for some interesting drone videos from Europe